Did you know that the stock market can be a whirlwind of drama and excitement? Recently, there's been quite a buzz in the investment community surrounding MULN Automotive and its stock. People are talking about it, and the drama is palpable. The stock's price predictions, investor sentiments, and the latest developments have everyone on the edge of their seats. So, let's dive into the roller coaster ride of MULN Stock and uncover what's been happening in the world of MULN Automotive. MULN stock price has been quite a roller coaster lately, and here's what you need to know. Investor sentiment around MULN is currently in negative territory, sitting at a score of -4. This sentiment score indicates a prevailing bearish outlook among investors based on social media posts, news articles, and opinion pieces. Over the past week, sentiment scores have ranged from a low of -50 to a high of 20, reflecting the volatile emotions surrounding the stock. As for the stock's current price, it's at 59 cents. Now, here's where it gets interesting. September 19th trading range for MULN saw it swing between 51 cents and 65 cents. That's quite a range for a single day. And if that's not enough, the trading volume has been unusually high, with a staggering 102,127,860 shares changing hands. In addition, let's take a closer look at how MULN stock has been performing recently. Over the past week, things have been quite turbulent. The stock took a notable hit, plunging by -11.16% compared to the previous closing price of 68 cents. That's a substantial drop in just 1 week. However, there's another side to this story. In the last 5 trading sessions, MULN experienced an impressive surge, with its stock price shooting up by 36.21%. This sudden gain has certainly caught the attention of investors who may be looking for a turnaround. Zooming out a bit, the past month hasn't been kind to MULN either, with a decline of -23.53%. But the real shocker is the past quarter, where the stock took a staggering -70.69% nosedive. When it comes to volatility, which measures how much a stock's price fluctuates, MULN has seen a ratio of 19.99% for the week, indicating some price swings. Looking back over the past 30 days, the volatility level has increased to 26.5%, signifying even more price ups and downs. For those who follow moving averages, the simple moving average for the past 20 days is 8.48%, suggesting some recent positive momentum. However, the longer-term trend hasn't been as favorable, with the simple moving average for the past 200 days at -97.86%, indicating a significant downturn over the last several months. There has also been some interesting insider trading activity at MULN, giving us a peek into how company insiders are dealing with the stock. For instance, on August 16th, CEO David Michiri made a significant move by purchasing 102,040 shares of MULN at a price of 98 cents per share. This move signaled confidence in the company's prospects. As a result of this purchase, David Michiri's total holdings in MULN Automotive now amount to an impressive 1,322,083 shares. This stake is valued at approximately $100,428 using the latest closing price. On the flip side, we've seen some insider selling as well. On March 6th, CFO Jonathan New decided to sell 159,066 shares of MULN at a price of 23 cents per share. Following this sale, Jonathan New's remaining holdings in the company amount to 8,611 shares, which are valued at around $36,506 at the latest closing price. Insider transactions like these can often provide insights into how those with intimate knowledge of the company view its future prospects. Moreover, let's dive deeper into MULN's overall market performance, and the numbers tell a compelling story. Over the past 52 weeks, the company has endured a staggering loss of -99.56%. This means that if you had invested in MULN a year ago, your investment would have nearly disappeared. In terms of volatility, which measures how much a stock's price fluctuates, things have been quite turbulent over the last 30 days. The volatility rate during this period increased, signifying more significant price swings. This heightened volatility can create both opportunities and risks for investors. Looking at the shorter term, over the past 50 days, the stock has traded at a whopping -65.02% lower than its previous levels. This recent downturn clearly indicates the challenges MULN has been facing in the market. But before we continue with the video, we really want to thank you for watching this far. Now, let's talk about the recent news that hit the headlines from Business Insider. It's all about MULN Automotive's bold move as they introduced the Commercial Pulse Fleet telematics solution. This isn't your ordinary telematics system, it's powered by artificial intelligence, making it quite the game changer. So, what's the big deal with this AI-driven solution? Well, it offers commercial customers a comprehensive package that goes beyond just tracking vehicle locations. With Commercial Pulse, businesses can now receive real-time maintenance alerts, safety notifications, battery charge updates, and other crucial metrics. It's a toolbox of benefits that can help commercial operations run smoother and more efficiently. Here's the twist. Despite the positive buzz around this innovation, MULN stock didn't react as expected. In fact, it saw an unexpected 9% drop in its price. It's a reminder that even good news in the stock market doesn't always lead to an immediate positive response. The market can sometimes have its own mind, and factors influencing stock prices can be complex. But the good news doesn't stop there for MULN. The company recently received a significant green light from the IRS, or the Internal Revenue Service. They've earned the coveted qualified manufacturer status, which opens the door to federal tax credits for electric vehicles. This status means that MULN Automotive is now eligible to receive federal tax credits of up to $7,500 for each eligible vehicle with a gross vehicle weight rating below 14,000 pounds. This is a major milestone for MULN and is not just a theoretical benefit. Two of their key vehicles, the MULN 1, a Class 1 EV cargo van, and the MULN 3, a Class 3 EV cab chassis truck, have been approved for these federal tax credits. This approval makes MULN's electric commercial vehicles more attractive from a cost perspective and positions them as environmentally friendly options in the market. Executives at MULN, including Chief Commercial Officer John Schwegman and CEO David Mishiri, have emphasized the advantages of these tax credits for commercial customers. Lowering the total cost of ownership is a critical factor for businesses, and tax credits, combined with reduced fuel and maintenance costs for electric vehicles, present a clear advantage. It's a win-win situation that not only benefits MULN as a manufacturer, but also potential buyers looking to make a greener and more cost-effective choice for their commercial fleets. As for MULN stock fundamentals, they paint an interesting picture. The company has faced challenges, with the capital return value showing a substantial negative 128.89%, indicating a significant loss on investment. The debt-to-equity ratios show that MULN has a debt-to-equity ratio of 23.53, indicating that it carries a moderate amount of debt compared to its equity. However, when we consider the total debt to assets, which stands at 4.56, it reveals a company with relatively higher debt levels than its assets. Now, let's talk liquidity. The liquidity ratio, at 0.71, raises some concerns. It suggests that the company may have difficulty meeting its short-term financial obligations. This is a crucial metric for investors as it indicates the company's ability to cover its immediate liabilities. In summary, MULN has experienced a rollercoaster ride in terms of investor sentiment, stock performance, insider trading, and recent news. The negative sentiment score and stock losses over various timeframes indicate volatility and challenges. However, insider trading activity reflects both confidence and caution among company insiders. Looking ahead, MULN's future prospects will depend on its ability to address production issues, manage its balance sheet constraints, and execute its growth plans successfully. Challenges lie ahead, but the recent IRS approval for federal tax credits and the launch of AI-driven solutions demonstrate the company's commitment to growth. So, what do you think about MULN's future prospects? Let us know in the comments section below. And while you're at it, make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons down below. Additionally, if you want to know more about MULN stock's roller coaster ride, I highly recommend watching this fantastic video. Just click this video right here. Thank you for tuning in and stay tuned for more exciting content in the future.